Okay, this one cuts deep, so listen carefully. Law 1, never outshine the master. Always make those above you feel superior. If you make them feel like they're being overshadowed, even slightly, their ego will destroy you. You think you're impressing your boss by doing better than him. Nah, you're digging your own grave. History doesn't reward the brightest. It protects the cleverest. Like France's finance minister back in 1661, Nicolas Fouquet. He made the mistake of throwing the greatest party that year for King Louis XIV, but the king didn't see it as loyalty. He saw it as a threat. And guess what? Fouquet was arrested the next day, never to be seen in public again. He forgot law no. 1, make your master feel like the sun. Just be the moon, reflecting light, not stealing it. Think about it. In any social hierarchy, there's always someone at the top. They could be your boss at work, the principal at school, or even your dad. And if you constantly outperform them, show off your intelligence or success, they feel threatened. Why? Simple. Your light is shining brighter than theirs, and that triggers their insecurity. They need to feel superior, like the sun, because if they don't, their world feels out of balance. Here's the thing. It's not just about your achievements. It's about making your superiors feel like they're the reason behind your success. Let me explain. At a company, if everyone knows you're smarter than your boss, eventually he'll find a way to push you out. Why? To protect his ego. Same with schools. If you're the star student, always getting straight A's, while your teacher is barely scraping by, they might not admit it, but they'll hold a grudge against you. You're a constant reminder of their own shortcomings. Now, this doesn't mean you have to pretend to be stupid. You want to find a balance. Acknowledge your achievements, but downplay them at the same time. Here's an example. Let's say you solved a big problem at work and everyone's praising you. Instead of basking in the spotlight, shift the focus back to your boss. Say something like, "I couldn't have done it without your guidance, sir." By doing so, you're acknowledging your success while still showing respect to your superior. You're letting them take some of the credit, and that makes them feel good. It's subtle, but it makes all the difference. And don't think this only applies to your professional life. It works in social circles too. Have you ever seen a parent feel embarrassed by their child's achievement? Maybe your parents downplay your accomplishments to make themselves look good in front of other parents. It's human nature. We all have an ego to protect. So, here's the takeaway. Know who holds the power and respect them. Don't try to outshine your boss, teacher, or even your parents. Instead, make them feel like they're the reason for your success. That way you'll have their respect and support, which will take you much further than sheer intelligence or talent ever will. If you're hungry for more, I know you are. Then hit that like button, comment below part 2. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is just the beginning. I'm here to guide you through the darkest book that powerful men swear by, the 48 Laws of Power. But do you want to get too comfortable, because each episode we'll dive deeper into these laws that have shaped the world's most powerful empires and cunning individuals. In the next episode, we'll uncover Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies, because sometimes your best friend can be your deadliest trap. But before we meet again, remember this. Your ambition is your greatest asset and your biggest enemy. Use it wisely. This is Short. We bring you the most timeless and powerful knowledge in the shortest and most engaging way possible. Hit the subscribe button right now and join the movement. Our full-length videos are available on our app. Join us every day to learn and grow. See you tomorrow.